To solve this question, first step need to list all possible samples of 2 chicken. Since we are choosing 2 out of chicken, we can list the combination of 2 chicken. AA, AB, AC, AD, BA, BB, BC, BD, CA, CB, CC, CD, DA, DB. After list all possible sample, need to calculate the mean weight of each sample. For example, possible sample AA equal to 0.5 divided by 2 equal 0.5. So the other is saying need to calculate all possible sample. Next, need to make table and list down all possible sample and mean. After that, need to make table contain 3 columns, which is mean, frequency and relative frequency. To calculate the frequency is count the number of each value appear in a dataset. To calculate the relative frequency is calculate the sum of each value in the dataset. Count the total number of value in the dataset. Divide the relative frequency by the total. To make graph, need refer to the table. For example, 0.5 and the probability is 160. So we point it at 160. So the other is same. So the graph will be like this.
To identify the parameter. So we have to calculate the population variance. As you can see, that is the formula of variance. So we put all the numbers in the formula. So in the result, we can get the 0.1165 as the population variance. And next, we have to calculate the population standard deviation. So which is the result is 0.3414 kg. So for the right hand side, we can see that is a curve, which is the mean is 0.975. The standard deviation is 0.3414 for the population. Next, we have to calculate the sampling distribution parameters. As you can see from the left hand side, there is a curve for the sampling distribution. So we have to find the mean and also the variance for the sampling distribution. So for the right hand side, this is the formula to calculate the mean of sampling distribution. We have to put all the numbers in it and divide by 16. So in result, we get the 0.975, which is same with the population of mean. Next, we have to calculate the standard deviations of sampling distribution. As you can see from the left hand side, is a formula of it. But we only use when the sample size divided by the population size is smaller than 0.05. So when it's bigger than 0.05, we have to use the formula below. So in this case, the sample size is 4 and the population size is 16. So in the results, we will get the 0.25, which is bigger than 0.05. So we have to use the second formula. So we put in all the numbers in it, and in the result we will get the standard deviations of sampling distribution, which is 0.2414. So for the summary, the population's mean is 0.975, mean of sampling distribution is 0.975, population standard deviations is 0.3414, standard deviations of sampling distribution is 0.2414. As you can see from the right hand side, the upper one is the curve for the populations, and the below one is a curve for the sampling distribution.